This is a BLM E-Bend 76 CNC tube bender. We're just actually seeing it to operate at this time. We're just going through some of the movements of the mandrels and the bender. Got 13 axes on it, 13 different simultaneous movements and bends, which we're trying to work through all of them right now. So we're doing a walk around of this E-Bend 7600 with diameters about 1.5 to 3 inch capacity, but it can do a wall thickness of 125. They've done up to 140 wall thickness. Actually, this is an under power video demonstration, so want you to be able to see the whole overall machine and what it looks like. Other than a bath, it's still running good parts. We will focus in for a moment on the model number. And we're just walking around the length of the machine. And then we're going to end up at the control. So here's the control of the machine. They obviously changed out the screen to an LED screen. This is a under power machine, ready to go, changing operations of how they're doing things.